I think what's really challenging with coronavirus is the difficulty in finding enough expertise on the front line in certain scenarios. At any one time, there can be between 20 to 30% of a team, like trauma doctors or others, that are having to self-isolate. Proximie is a software, it's a solution that basically very simply allows surgeons to virtually scrub into operating rooms anywhere in the world. There could be a surgeon in an operating room and a surgeon remotely, and through simply using an internet-connected device like his computer, he's able to virtually join him in the operating room. He can look at the screen and overlay important scans, his hand, and put gestures and movements on how to proceed step by step through that operation. And it really allows two people in remote locations to almost mimic what it would be like to be standing right next to each other. Being able to use tools like augmented reality, you may have seen it in things like Pokemon Go, but ultimately what you're doing is you're bringing the computer world and the real world together to try and give a very different and very immersive experience. So they can really, in a very multi-sensory, very interactive kind of immersive way, get involved and help their colleagues to deliver best practice to patients. And what Proximie allows them to do is almost virtually reach in. So it reduces and minimizes exposure wherever possible. And then imagine on top of that, you could also layer artificial intelligence where the system is learning from the movements and the information that you're providing it. So Proximie works on extremely low bandwidth in the most austere of environments. And it means that it can really adapt to challenges around internet connectivity and the quality of the internet that you might have. My aspiration would be that every surgeon in every operating room anywhere in the world would have access to this technology, and hopefully really we can change into a more virtually collaborative environment within surgery and improve the quality of care that we deliver to every patient anywhere in the world.